Welcome to our lesson on clothes in Bemba translated to English. Please like, share, and subscribe, or comment with any questions or suggestions that you may have. I'll be happy to read them. Ifyakufwala, clothes. Itoloshi, trousers. Chifunga or isketi, skirt. Ilaya, liawanakashi, or just ilaya is a dress. Ublangeti is blanket or blankets. Shtanda or ubusanshi is bed. Sapato is shoe. Kaptula is shorts. So in this case, when we want to give an example of a bed or making or spreading a bed, would say ukwanshka ubusanshi. And then this is the bed where you sleep in a respectful way. You'd say mkwai ubusanshi ubu. Epo mwala sendama. Sendama is to sleep. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.